Hi, it's Paul Kane again, just doing an update to my couple of videos I published last Sunday. Today is the following Saturday, the 24th of August. It's now 7 days since I had my surgery. 7 days and everything is going well, all fitting well, movement is good, everything is under control. During the week I did receive some x-rays detailing what they did, and from that you should be able to clearly see that they put in a couple of white bits on the top of each knee and a couple of white bits on the bottom of each knee. That is what they call the knee replacement surgery. I left the hospital where the surgery was performed, that is the Mulgrave Private Hospital, I think it was Wednesday morning, and I was transferred to the Southeastern Private Hospital, where I am now participating in my rehabilitation. First I had a rehabilitation assessment. They designed a program for me so that I would, during the 2 daily sessions, 9 a.m. and 1 p.m, do approximately 15 separate exercises specifically designed to strengthen the muscles below and above the knee joints. I've been doing this for a couple of days now and everything appears to be working out very, very nicely. Just one comment I'd like to make. The rehab facility was set up on the basis of I'd be here for between 7 and 10 days, and the objective after the 10 days, if not longer, there was no defined end period, but the objective was to leave here walking on crutches. Fortunately for me, that objective was achieved before I even arrived here, because I walked in without crutches, or if you're more adventurous, I was crutchless. So I now look forward to strengthening my knees and preparing for the journey home. I hope to leave here next Wednesday and then settle into my new lifestyle at home with both truly 100% functioning knees, or closely thereabouts. On Friday afternoon yesterday, I did seek permission from the management of this facility to go out and do some shopping for some urgently needed food, things like dragon fruit and sauerkraut and coconut yogurt and a variety of Asian mushrooms, my baby king oysters, shimejis, enokis, shiitakes, things that I eat on a daily basis. So they gave me permission to do that, and I wandered out into the real world only 6 days after having total knee replacement surgery. I felt very good, very comfortable, and if anything I should have slowed down just a smidgen. Last night I did have my worst night here so far, and that was probably due to the fact that my daily intake of pain-killing drugs has been reduced. So since day 1 till last night, I virtually had no pain in the knees whatsoever, although I can still feel them when I step up from a sitting position or thereabouts. And I did have some throbbing in both knees last night, not enough to cause concern, not enough for me to press the urgent nurses button. So I discussed that with my doctors today, and we will just see how we go. During the week here, I've been pretty lucky. I had my brother Wally and his wife Sandra, both from Perth, Western Australia, drop in to visit me, which was a real thrill. I haven't seen my brother and his wife in a couple of years, and it was very nice. And later in the week I also had some neighbours, Jacob and his dad Peter, drop in. They travelled a long way from our suburbia to get here, and I was thrilled with their gift of flowers and a bowl of fruit, and it was just a lovely thing for people to travel all that way just to see little old me. As I said, I plan to be here or out of here by next Wednesday, and what I'll do hopefully is I will send you a video just detailing my arrival at home and how I settle into my new life, and after I educate my dogs that I've got new knees. Up until then, have a nice day.